This meditation has been created to help you meet your spirit guide. So when you are ready, find yourself a comfortable place to sit, somewhere you will not be disturbed, and allow your eyes to close. And as you close your eyes, pay attention to your breathing. And notice how you breathe in. And as you breathe in, your chest and abdomen begin to fill. And as you breathe out, notice how your body sinks down a little. And as you continue to do that, and as you pay attention only to your breathing, breathe deeply in through your nose and pull the air deep into your body, all the while thinking of relaxing. Start to become aware of how the breath vibrates through your body, deep into your lungs. Follow the pulsing sensation, moving your lungs in and out, pushing energy all around your body. Concentrate solely on the rhythm of your body. Become aware of how heavy your body is becoming. And as the body becomes heavier and heavier, you become more and more aware of it, equally watching the vibration in and around your body, pulsing at a steady rate and in harmony with your blood flow. Start to look at the air coming into your body and concentrate on it being white, like a cloud of pure white energy sitting just in front of your face. Breathe it deep into your body and see it being pushed around your body, cleansing and cleaning, while all the while relaxing. Pull the white light into the darkest parts of your mind, deep within, filling them with light and energy, and all the while registering the pulsing of harmony moving through your body. Concentrate on how light this rhythm that's moving through your body is causing your mind to be. Sitting in the stillness of your own mind, surrounded by light feelings, the quietness of your own mind, you're becoming more and more comfortable in this state. This is the time when you can ask your spirit guides and teachers on the higher side to step closer to you, welcoming them into your space, your protected space of white light and silence. Try to become aware of any changes that are taking place around your body or in your body. Recognize any signs that the energies have changed. Start to become used to the sense of someone from the higher side entering into your space. Maybe you feel the vibration around your body, quickening, or feel the sensations of heat and cold around your body. Accept that this is the higher teachers changing the frequencies around you. Try to become familiar with these changes. Each change is like a calling card from each different spiritual teacher who works with you. Feel the impressions that they are putting into your mind, impressions of who they are, when they lived, what they look like, and what their intentions are in guiding you through your work. Try not to over-question in your mind, but accept the impressions that are given to you. And don't be in any rush to work out any understanding or meaning at this point. Just be in harmony with the guide and the stillness and the light. Feel your mind lifting higher and higher and becoming brighter and brighter as you link more completely with your spirit guide. Allow them to take you higher, more towards their frequency and into a more spiritual state of being. Accept all the things that are shown to you at this point as coming from your spirit guide and from a much higher source. And start to feel yourself gently separating from them, the vibration of the higher spiritual guide. Not clinging or holding, just releasing and allowing yourself to move back down through the light, pulling the light back towards your body, back to the center of your being. And when you feel yourself filled with that light in your own physical being, send out a note of thanks to that spiritual teacher who has allowed you to sit in their presence and has given you impressions and teachings of their life for your life's path. Breathing nice and deeply now, pulling air deep into your lungs and becoming more focused on the here and now. Recognize that your physical body is sitting comfortably and relaxed, becoming more and more focused and aware of the here and now. Recognize that your body is sitting still and that your consciousness is more in this waking state of physical reality. And when you are ready and feel ready, just take a nice deep breath and open your eyes in your own way, in your own time.